Welcome to PrinTOG. To customize your coffee mug, you can go to the PrinTOG.in, and when you're on the homepage, you can see we have a variety of products that you can choose from. But today we are talking about the customized mugs, and for this you can click on this banner, or you can move your cursor on the menu section and then the customized mugs. And here you can see we have two different options, the single-sided and the wraparound. And we have the premium mugs as well, the silver mugs, the golden and the magic mugs. But first we'll go through the single-sided. In the single-sided, we give option to the customer to edit their product just on the single side of the mug. I like this one. And when your customizer is loaded, you can edit your text here. You can put some code, or you can just type your business name. You can change the font. There are hundreds of fonts. I'll go with this one. I'll resize it. You can even change the colors. And once you're happy, just click anywhere inside the customizer to select your mug color, like the blue, green, orange, yellow, red, but I like the orange. And once you're happy, select your mug color from here, the orange mug, and then add to cart. Customize your wraparound mugs. The process is as simple as this one. Click here and then select your color. I'll go with the magic mug. In the wraparound mug, we give option to the customer to completely edit their products. When the customizer is loaded, you can click anywhere inside the customizer to upload the pictures. You can download it from your devices, you can upload it from your Facebook, Instagram profile, or you can use the Pixpay. To give you a good example, I'll use the Pixpay images. I like this one. I can rotate it, I can resize it. Once I'm happy with this side, I'll click on the other and then I'll add a different image. Perfect. And when you're happy, you can select your mug here, the magic mug, and then you can add to cart. And once you're happy with the product, you can proceed to the checkout. And that is how you customize your mug on PrinTOG.in.